Next month, Queen City Ballet will be showcasing their best in the classic Alice in Wonderland.
MTN's Christine Sullivan brings the dancers to us for a closer look.
A dance studio in the heart of Helena is about to twirl its way into the spotlight with an upcoming production of Alice in Wonderland. Since 2001, Queen City Ballet has shaped dancers in the classical arts. The Queen herself, Campbell Midgley, a former professional ballerina, has put months of work into getting the dancers in tip-toe shape.
It's a grand production. It's a mix of media and production technical, kind of like a movie, a moving backdrop, and lots of big sets and lots of costumes.
Zoe Brown, a sophomore at Capitol High School, has been dancing since she was 3 years old. She recently won a $750 scholarship to attend the Royal Ballet in London this summer. Brown said that she spends every afternoon training for the show, and she's excited to dance as a pink flamingo.
So she's kind of an outcast, and all of her friends make fun of her. But she has so much fun and she kind of embraces who she is, so yeah.
In preparation for Alice in Wonderland, the lovely dancers behind me dance up to 25 hours a week. The show is a $40,000 production with all the bells, whistles, even a giant Cheshire cat. These athletes take pride in their performance and have put everything into bringing the characters to life.
We dance together a lot, and we've had to just kind of not do one part and one part, but mold them together so it looks like we're telling the story. And that's just been a really fun part of it, is really just being Alice and just being in Wonderland, and just it's been so much fun.
In Helena, Christine Sullivan, MTN News.
If you would like to see the show Alice in Wonderland, will be showing at the Helena Civic Center on Mother's Day weekend, Saturday, May 11th at 7:30 and Sunday, May 12th at 2 p.m. You can buy tickets online at queencityballet.com.